My name is Marth and I am doing a little vlog. I am now shooting this and recording on my DJI Osmo 3. It's fine, I have the microphone, it's cool, I'm excited about it. So be ready for some more vlogs. I'm back. Sorry I've been gone for so long. Honestly, it was like weekend trip, then I had the full audition schedule for Pippin. It was just crazy. This vlog is going to be all about Maggie's bachelorette party. I'm going to take you along with me, but first we have to pack, which I honestly have not even thought about. But today is the last day. I have to pack today. Honestly, I'm along for the ride. People just told me to get on Amtrak, my favorite thing in the world, go up to a specific place, and then my friend was going to take us to the lake. Do I really remember where this place is? No. Have I been there before? No. So I'm really excited. Thank God. I don't know if any of you knew this because I didn't talk about it in my last vlog or anything like that. I got a horrible sunburn from my last bachelorette trip. I mean, there are so many things that happened that were bad. I had expired sunscreen. I must not have reapplied very well. Honestly, I'm not like an open-toed shoe girly when it comes to the beach, and that was like honestly one of the first times I've ever not worn shoes. And so I think my brain just like forgot my feet. Oh my God, when I tell you it was like second-degree burns. They were purple. They weren't blistering, but I had a huge skin sun rash. Like, oh my gosh, it's so bad. So I went to the store and I purchased like the entire collection of the Vacation brand. So you'll be seeing a lot of that this weekend. I was like, I don't care. I need sunscreen that is like in it and like working. So I got the Foam Fun Whip Spray. It's sparkly. Love it. I've already worn it like 3 times and I love it. Smells so good. They smell great. I haven't gotten a sunburn since. I've been out and about. So we're just trying to protect, okay? And we are going to be on the lake. It is technically, I say technically, it is 4th of July weekend. So we will be out and about on the water, I think. I don't know. I'm taking you along with me. It's going to be so much fun. We don't have any specific, like, you must wear this on this day, but we have themes. And you know me, I love a theme. So let's stop talking. Let's get packing because I need to do that. Okay, let's hit it. Okay, I only just got a little stressed out because I started looking at the packing list and then I needed to wash things, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm talking too much. It's almost 1 o'clock. I have somewhere to be at 6. So we gotta go faster. So I'm just gonna like speed all of this up. I got some grapes for some food help, and here we go. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I finally got everything on the bed. I changed. Dang, I don't know why packing takes so long for me. I really just like never know what I need or where. Let me bring you over here for 2 seconds. All right, so this is what we got going on. I think it's a great hodgepodge of things. We were told that we needed a towel, blanket, bringing a hat just in case. I'm making sure I have specific things, but I have like a full bag of toiletries and stuff like that. I'm bringing like a little bag, this cutie little bag for the beach. These are going to be like the go-tos for the 2 days because we're doing so many things in town, but then also like bathing suit land. I'm bringing all of those, obviously. And then at night, it's going to be cold and we're going to be by the fire. So I'm bringing a couple extra, like 2 sweaters and like 2 long sleeves, because I don't really like smelling like smoke. So I'm bringing multiples just in case. And then obviously this is my travel outfit, a jacket, the essentials. So yeah, now we can finally pack. Oh my God, that took way too long. There she is. Look at that skirt. Here. Beach club. And then it wasn't a bit. What's next?
We have a luxury. Feel the thread count. Luxury. People. So beachy. So Connecticut.
So Connecticut. Oh! Dun dun dun.
Feel the thunder.
We have.
Doom 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 doom. Sam just making out of it.
Sorry, wrap them tight.
Keep it nice and snug.
We love it. 2 hours later.
Oh my god. So cute, you guys.
It's so cute.
That's cute.
We can all wear them together.
Forever.
This is not no cricket, let me tell you.
We only have them because we came free with the bags.
Phenomenal.
They're beautiful.
Honestly,
Perfect.
mood.
Cute.
It's so cute.
I'm happy I did the little,
Gorgeous.
my little tickles. Water. Ooh, sip
My
sippy.
little sody in there. It's the itinerary.
Oh!
And a fan. Oh my gosh.
What does it say?
It says beach, beach, beach.
that was scary.
You
did it! Now, yeah, she does like. So I have it like this, and then it also came with. It's like the creator combo, so I have it with have it with a microphone and other things.
It's cute because it's not annoying.
Right? She's so tiny. You'll never even know.
I didn't know
It's such good quality.
No.
I know.
Yeah,
the screen is
honestly,
really nice.
the screen is really great.
Can you see my zip?
Hey, can you see mine? Is
Where?
there shit right there?
Oh, that's tiny.
teeny tiny.
Tell that to the 4K. Anyway, yay! We're at the cabin. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's my little gimbal. Isn't she cute? I like it.
How to get on there so quick?
I haven't heard this
I don't
song so
know.
long. Adam, how do you feel about
Oh, give us some legs. Yes, I loved it. Thank you. Oh. Oh.
Wait, is that?
Okay, we got these cute little cups. They say, "Voulez-vous?" She's saying, "I do." Voulez-vous? Happy days. But we made it. Thank God. I love these hats. They're so funny.
They're so cute.
They're cute. Oh. There she goes. There she goes. Yay!
Finish a little sour.
Ooh!
I'm sorry.
On the
smells
beach,
good.
I feel
It smells
like
peachy.
That's like, ooh, it warms me right up.
It's peachy. It smells peachy.
Ooh!
Oh wow!
That's the same thing.
You like?
Yeah, it was good.
Ooh!
What is it about it?
Oh, I really like her. No, she's warm.
like a hug.
Yeah,
It's a hug.
she's like a sweet hug. Wait, I should show everyone the bottle. We're talking about this. Sure, right?
Yes. Oh, everyone's here.
And yes, this was Leanne's bottle. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Stunner.
It's like, who are you showing?
The people.
I feel like this would be really good with like goat cheese.
Ooh.
Right?
We're playing a game. We're scoring. We're scoring them.
Oh! Stephanie, hi.
Hi.
It followed you.
It followed you. It said, I heard your voice.
Creepy.
What is it? What is that?
It's a little game.
We're gonna play a game.
We're gonna play a game.
Let's play a kiki. I want to have a kiki.
The flag is half Canada.
Wow, that is so cool.
And we have all these
Did you
little.
make that, man?
Well, I bought the template on Etsy.
Hell yeah.
Choose one.
So funny.
The crackers, my queen. Thank you.
All right, guys, day 2. Here we are, day 2. We're getting ready to go to like a little town breakfast vibe out, and I'm very excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Girlies are coming. We're like ready to rumble. Look at these. We have our cute little bags. We're all in tow. And yeah, I'm wearing my sparkle sunscreen. I don't know if you can tell, but it's gonna be really fun. Yay, let's go. Oh. This is where we went. Happy days. Love. Okay, what did we all get?
Water.
Marcus got water.
I got
Ombre.
a black cold brew.
Hell yeah. I just got a classic ice latte. I got overwhelmed. She was like, we have so many different flavors you could put in. And I was like what? And she was like, any. And I went, I don't know. I don't know what it would. I was like,
panicked.
I did. I panicked and I went, none, thank you. It's like, not for me. I love the mixing.
Do it up close. Do it up close. Some
Can't get the
ASMR.
last little bit.
Oh.
Get the sound of the ice. Sound of
Look
the
at it. Oh,
That
there
sound
it
of the
goes.
eyes. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah. Pretty. Right? Yes, we love a scone. We got so many scones. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, that looks like, sorry, I'm coming in. That looks like real bread. Look at that real bread. The bride is getting her photo shoot. Ready for the photo shoot. Yes, get it. Hi everyone, so the tea is I just took Miralax for the first time. This is what you get when you're in a house with, how many people are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 including me, right? 7 including me, 1 bathroom. You know me guys, I do not poop well. So we are starting off really strong. It's been 2 days. Haven't pooped in 2 days, so. You're gonna poop tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow is the time, and hopefully I can do it with everyone in this house. Okay, thanks, bye. Order up. I've been blessed. Didn't even know where her hand was. And I'm sad. Ooh, okay, we're gonna do. I'm not trying to be a hater. No. Like the phone one. So this is why those 2 men came for us.
Starbucks, you guys. This is a locally owned place.
local.
Just because cold foam exists, it does not mean it's
But
Starbucks.
it looks like the salted caramel blue one from there. I'm
You're
really
right.
pumped about it. Okay, I'm gonna try.
It's
Taste
got
test.
that ombre. I need these. I need these.
Good morning.
Ooh. That was really good. Happy days. What did you get?
We got peanut butter straw.
Oh, hell.